Hello guys, welcome back to another The Beast Form Nut video. Today I'm playing Roblox. My username is The Beast Form Nut 3 if you want to friend me. And you know what, just so you guys can see. Oh, hello there. I'm just grinding. I'm playing Pole Sword Simulator. Thank you for all the fans out there of The Beast Form Nut. And thank you for all the friends of The Beast Form Nut. I'm doing some shout outs. So the first shout out is LM Files. Second shout out is Messi. No, not actual Messi. It's just one of my friends. Why do I do this with one hand? Ooh, how rare is that? 14%? Nah, bro. Give me something rare. At one point, I will be joining Grow a Garden, so that way you can see my garden. Oh, damn, Mal wins. Well, you know what this calls for. Oh, who is this guy? Kitty Cat. Kitty Cat, I'm filming. Casey, I mean. So let's just claim a gift. Oh yeah, this is me. The Beast Form Nut 3. But this is so laggy.
Let me do it.
Oh, you wanna be in my video? Hold up guys, this is my little sister Zelda. Not gonna show her. Alright, join me. I'll let you be in my vid.
I won't be able to stand and talk.
Yeah, you can be in my vid if she wants to talk.
Yeah.
Alright. I can't show your face, okay?
Okay.
Talking to the camera. They'll be happy to see you. Special shout out my little sister Zelda. Zelda talking to the cam.
And I like how this that though.
She likes Hello Kitty. Oh, that's my little sister for you. Anyway, what's this? Claim credits. Ooh, sure. I haven't been playing that long, have I? Okay, I haven't been playing that long, guys. But this is gonna be a fun vid. This is hard with one hand. Alright, and let's pull the next sword. 3, 2, 1. Pull the mother-goshing sword. No, I don't curse, don't worry. That just looks epic. I told this girl I'm filming. This is gonna be so funny. Oh gee, this is epic. Well, I think that's enough grinding for today. Let me go join Grow a Garden. Grow a Garden! I would join my Prive, but... Oh, my friend's online. How did 3 of my plants go mutated? Well, yes, I have a few beanstalks. Back here, I've got a few ember lilies, a mushroom. Keiko tree. Grape back there. Peppers. Another grape. Wait, no. Yeah. 2 purple dahlias. 2. Huh? Hold up. Bro is rich. Did I just see something turn blue over here? So anyway, back to the grand tour. I have a mango tree, apple tree, a few cacti. Yes, I have to use good grammar. Well, a few apple trees while I'm at that. Some ember lilies, some beanstalks, a keiko, and a coconut. Most of these were from the admin abuse that Jandal did. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This was one of my favorite ones yet, especially my longest, probably. So, see ya. Wait, no. Bye, people. Wait, I can't show my face. Oh, and at 100 subs, I'll do a face reveal.